Hi guys, back again with another video. Now in this video we're going to do the real life microphone sound test of the boAt Airdopes 190. So we're going to test it in different scenarios and then see how good the microphone sound is going to be and then talk more about it. Now the entire sound in this video is going to be from the earbuds mic. So let me just show you. It's not from here. From here. So in any phone call, only one of the earbud mic is used. So that's just a general information. Any earbud, truly wireless earbud you use, the mic on one of them is used. So right now, since I took this out first, this one is the primary one. So the entire video will be shot on this earbuds mic. So let's go ahead, start the test, and then talk more about it. Let's go. Tied my hair, so you can't make it but you can figure it out. A lot of air, a lot of wind. Hopefully, my sound is audible enough, and the background sound and wind sound is not too overpowering. So this is the kind of sound that you're gonna get when you're riding the bike with the helmet on, but with the visor open. Now, in this scenario, there would be a lot of wind and stuff, but it's not hitting the mic because it's inside the helmet. So hopefully my sound is not as bad as the open scenario one because there's a lot of wind hitting it. Here, little bit of wind might escape through here, but not much. So hopefully my sound is audible enough and the background sound is not too overpowering. So this is the kind of sound that you're gonna get when you're riding the bike with the helmet on and the visor closed. So in this is a closed helmet scenario. In this scenario, wind is not coming in and too much of background sound is not coming in. Hopefully, my sound is audible enough because there's going to be a lot of echo. Because my own sound is going to echo inside the closed helmet, and that reverb is going to be bad in most of the scenarios. So generally, what I do is after I listen to the sound, then I know I have an idea of how bad the echo is, and I increase or decrease my volume. So if you have a lot of echo problem, just lower down the volume and talk a bit softly. Then your sound is more audible. But if you're loud and then you're talking to someone in a loud voice, then the echo is more. Hopefully that helps. Hopefully my sound is audible now. Okay, so this is the kind of sound that you're gonna get when you're near a lot of water. So I am outside using small, around 70 water fountains here. So a lot of water sound. Hopefully my sound is audible enough and the background sound is not too overpowering. So this is the kind of sound that you're gonna get when you're in a lot of traffic. So I am standing outside Amnora Mall. So a lot of traffic here. Hopefully my sound is audible enough and the background sound is not too overpowering. So this is the kind of sound that you're going to get when you're in a food court where there are a lot of people, a lot of machine sounds, everything. So hopefully my sound is audible enough and the background sound is not too overpowering. So okay, so you guys have seen the video. Now let's talk about what was my experience with this. Now the mic performance is quite clear. You are able to hear me very well. But wind sound was a problem. You could not understand anything. The closed helmet and the open helmet in both the situations, I think it performed good. If I compare it with a lot of other earphones, this actually performed quite good. So even though it was not the best, I kind of liked it because I'm audible enough. The only problem I had, I think, is it was the wind sound. And in the traffic situation, even though you were able to hear me well, the car horn, the when a car is honking, that sound was too sharp. So by default, the entire volume of my volume in this is not very high. So it's a little low. So it's somewhere balanced. So when a car honk or something or a sharp sound comes in, that creeps in too much. So other than the wind and this traffic situation where the sound was the sharp sound was creeping in, I didn't have any problem. So good earphone for gaming, good earphone for listening to music. But remember, this is a boat earphone. Both are known for their bass. So there is a lot of bass. If you're a purist, stay away from this. This is not for you. And I I like bass. Because of that, I like this earphone. But I've actually given it to other people to test, and for them, the bass was overpowering. So if you don't like too much of bass, then stay away from this. There are other both earphones also which does not have this much bass. Now the sound is custom tuned for gaming. Now I'll be doing that in the full review, but this is very good with gaming. So chipsets are so clear. You can actually understand everything which is happening around you. So mainly for gaming and mic performance you've already seen. Now you can decide if it is for you or not. And for the price, it's actually quite good. And I like the lighting system on this. So really good. The only complaint I have with this is the lighting system is not on this. So ideally, I mean, in the pictures and all, you see that there are a lot of lights on this. So I thought when I'm using it in gaming mode or whatever, there will be lights coming out of it. No, that doesn't happen. You don't have an app or anything to control anything. So, anyways, all that I'll talk about all of that in the full review. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment. And I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.